fucking rain. Holy shit. The rain is coming sideways. Oh my god. Well, this is Canada for you. Really hot days, and then this happens. It was fucking humid earlier. Like, holy shit! I mean, like, holy crap! Haven't seen lightning or anything yet, so that's kind of good. But yeah, holy motherfucking shit. It's just like, wow, there's a lot of fucking rain. That was someone pulled over. On my way here, actually, I was driving down, and all of a sudden it just stopped, and it got like severely dark. It was insane. And then it started doing this again. But yeah, it was really weird. But yeah, now it's just like this, and it's really shitty. And I probably shouldn't be videoing this while trying to drive, but you know, I'm smart like that. Whatever. Holy motherfucking shit. I am honestly terrified right now. And I think I should probably put the phone down.